Stem cells are the foundational cells that turn into any type of cell in your body. They can become heart cells, lung cells, skin cells, blood cells, or any other type of cell that your body needs that is damaged. Your body uses stem cells to replace the damaged cells. The problem is, as we age, our stem cells become dormant. At age 20, we have about 1 billion healthy stem cells. By age 30, they decline by 60% to almost 4 million cells. By age 50, they decline by 75%. Now you're down to 250 million stem cells. By age 60, you're declined to by 90% to almost 1 million stem cells. By age 80, they decline by 95% to 50 million stem cells. Once again, that might sound like a lot, but when you start at 1 billion, you can see why we age and we do not heal as we get older.